जम्मू कश्मीर से 5 अगस्त 2019 को अनुच्छेद 370 के हटने के बाद से घाटी में पहली बार नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के अध्यक्ष एवं सांसद डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेताओं की बैठक बुलाई। बैठक के बाद पत्रकारों से बातचीत करते हुए डॉक्टर फारूक ने हिरासत में लेने के बारे में पूछे गए सवाल पर कहा कि खुदा हमारा उद्धार करता है। वे जम्मू कश्मीर की स्वायत्तता हासिल करने के लिए संबंधित गुपकार डिक्लेरेशन पर चुप नहीं बैठने वाले हैं। डॉक्टर फारूक ने कहा कि हम असहाय नहीं हैं, सरकार झूठ बोल रही है, सभी नेता आजाद नहीं है। अभी भी करीब 16 नेता ऐसे हैं जो घरों में नजरबंद है, उन्हें घरों से निकलने की अनुमति नहीं है।
मौका मिला। पहले तो मैं अपने वकील साहब का जो टीम थी और कोर्ट का मशकूर हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारी बात सुनी। हमने उनसे कहा कि साहब 12 महीनों से हमारे लोग कैदबंद में हैं, उनको छोड़ा नहीं गया है और मेहरबानी करके अगर आप इसकी तरफ देखें कि उनको भी आज़ाद किया जाए। कि आप लोग जो हुकूमत कहती है कि यहाँ एक पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस होनी चाहिए कि हम लोग भी आज़ादी से घूम सकें, लोगों से बात कर सकें, आपसे बात कर सकें। तो अल्लाह का करम है कि हमने इसकी शुरुआत की है और मैं मशकूर हूँ इनका कि ये लोग आज आप देखते हैं कि घर से निकल सके हैं 12 महीनों के बाद। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि अब ये आज़ाद होंगे। ये नहीं कि ये आज एक दिन के लिए इनको छोड़ दिया और फिर इनको बंद करेंगे, वो नहीं होना चाहिए। और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि दूसरे भी जो बंद हैं उनसे भी मेरी मुलाकात होगी। कल भी कुछ से मिलूँगा, परसों भी दूसरों से मिलूँगा जो बंद हैं, कि हम लोग आज़ादी से बैठकर इस रियासत के बारे में, लोगों के बारे में कुछ सोच सकें। इसके साथ साथ मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारी कोशिश है कि ये रियासत खुशहाली की तरफ चले, यहाँ के लोग इस मुश्किल से निकल आए जिसमें हम फंसे हुए हैं और कोई रास्ता निकाला जाए इस रियासत की उस एकता को बनाने के लिए। यही हमारी कोशिश है और इसकी पहली ये कड़ी थी जिसमें हम लोगों ने इनसे मुलाकात की। आज का मकसद सिर्फ ये था कि ये आ सकें, घर से निकल सकें और हम इनसे मुलाकात कर सकें। आगे जब हम सबसे मिल लेंगे उसके बाद जो हमारा पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा है, पॉलिटिकल रिव्यूज़ हैं, वो हम करेंगे। उसमें हम आपको बुलाएंगे और आपके सामने जब हम सबसे बात कर लेंगे, जितने भी अंदर हमारे साथी बंद हैं, तो हम आपके सामने पूरी तफसील से आपके सामने बात रखेंगे।
डॉक्टर साहब, हाउ डिड यू सी द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ऑफ ओवरऑल जम्मू एंड कश्मीर?
वेल, you are the people who have the eyes and the ears of the people more than us who were locked up. You know what the position is. People are in the most miserable condition. There is hardly anything to say. There is hardly any drinking water for people. Businesses are all zero. Tourism is zero. There is suffering everywhere. There is not a place where there is not suffering. On top of it, we have also got this virus, coronavirus, which is also taking a heavy toll on the people. And we still have a situation where security is very tight.
Sorry for
where people are not able to move.
You could not get my point properly. I said that how did you see the present situation of the Kashmir, overall Jammu and Kashmir, because abrogation of article is gone.
No. The question is, you see the situation before you.
Now the third step is demilitarization. Even the number of timers, Ramad also said the election process.
As I told you, that is a secondary issue on which we'll have a discussion between the party people, and we will then tell you what is the situation and how we will react to it and what we intend to do. Today our basic aim was that whether our people who have been locked in for 12 months could come out of their homes. As the government said, they are not locked. So I hope this is not going to be just one time. That they have come out, they are now free people.
डॉक्टर साहब, 2 बार हुआ कि आपने 5 अगस्त को आल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाई थी, इजाज़त नहीं मिली। आज आपने चंद सीनियर कायदीन की मीटिंग बुलाई थी, इसकी परमिशन मिली। और अभी आपने सिर्फ नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए बात की, क्योंकि जम्मू कश्मीर कहते हैं डॉक्टर साहब सबसे सीनियर लीडर हैं और जो माहौल और हालात बनाए गए हैं, इसमें डॉक्टर साहब का क्या आने वाले दिनों में ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग और जो लीडरान बंद है उनके लिए भी कुछ बात करेंगे?
देखिए, मैंने आपसे कहा आज का मकसद क्या था। आज का मकसद था कि जो साथी हमारे बंद हैं और जिनके बारे में सरकार ने ये रिपीटेडली कहा है कि ये बंद नहीं है, ये घर से निकल नहीं सकते थे, आज मकसद ये था कि ये देखना कि क्या सचमुच हमारे साथी निकल सकते हैं, आज़ाद हैं, घूम सकते हैं आज़ादी से जिस तरह आप घूम रहे हैं। ये मकसद था। आज सियासी मकसद इतना ही था। जब तक हम साथियों को सबको नहीं देखेंगे आज़ाद, उसके बाद हम लोग बैठेंगे और हम लोग सब चीज़ों पे आपके सामने पूरे खुल्लम खुल्ला आपके सामने बात करेंगे उन मसलों
what
पे।
next? Because you also talk about the statehood. Umar Abdullah also says he will not participate in any elections until the statehood will be
Look, let me
validated.
tell you, this is not a question of statehood and other things. As I told you very clearly, today our meeting was merely to see whether our colleagues could come out of their homes. The government used to say they are free. They were not free. They could not get out of their home.
Dr. Abdullah, you had called for an all-party meeting on August 5. What,
They didn't take place
okay, why
because
did
the government.
why had you called that meeting?
Sir, what was the need for it? Why did I call it?
Yeah, that's what.
Why? Why do you want to know it now? It didn't take place. Had it taken place, we would have put before you what we discussed and what we had. But we are not going to end there here.
Okay.
We will have that meeting, inshallah. We will have the meeting of all party, that Gupkar declaration. We'll have a meeting on that. We're not running away from that. That is our core issue.
So all NC leaders are free now?
No, these are the four you have seen.
Few people.
I am going to try and see that others that are locked in. Tomorrow I'll call in 5 more. Then we were 16 of them who are locked in.
One is
And one man unfortunately did not survive. So we are going to call all these people to see that they are free. What I will request you, please do put this. We hope it is not going to be just once. That they are free as you are. As free as you are. I know you're not that free. I know press is not free. I know fully well. And unfortunate, that is tragedy. Well, that is secondary issue. The point here today was that are they free? They have come, Alhamdulillah. I'm grateful to God and to the court and our lawyers who fought for them. They have come. I hope that the others that I'm going to meet, they're also going to come. And I hope that they are going to be free permanently and not just for one meeting with Farooq Abdullah.
Doctor, are you going to remain silent on the issues that are happening outside on the street? Like
No, we are not
for
going to be
example-
silent, as I told you. That is not the issue today. That issue will come. And you can grill us on that day when we have finally had a political meeting and a Gupkar meeting of the people who were in that meeting. Then we will put before
Some
you.
of the leaders who participated in that Gupkar meeting, Gupkar declaration meet, have actually they have changed sides. If I can.
Who has changed sides?
So for example, some people have. Mr. Shah Faisal has gone back to IAS,
Look,
and some of them
look.
have joined Apni party.
You see, let me tell you. Let me tell you one thing. अगर किसी का ईमान कमज़ोर है, उसके लिए फारूक अब्दुल्ला ज़िम्मेवार नहीं है. वो उसका था. That is his conscience. He has to answer his conscience and his God. Farooq Abdullah does not have to answer for him. He is gone. He's gone. So what? अरे अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग आते गए कारवां बनता गया.
Didn't August 5 decision prove you wrong and prove the NC's politics wrong? What happened on August 5, 2009?
I want to add something,
Let me
sir. I
tell
want to
you,
add something. My
we have
colleagues
never
talked
been
about
proved wrong. We will never be proved wrong, and we will stay to our death day on what we believe should be done.
Dr. Saab, you are under house arrest for 7 months, but when Government of India announces Farooq Abdullah is free, you didn't raise any voice about the decisions taken.
Why should I take? I told you then also. Do you remember? What did I say here? That's a tragedy with you
Because you're
people.
MP,
I don't really
MP,
know which
on
side
that
you
side.
people are. This side or that side.
We are nobody.
Let me tell you. I know. I've been Chief Minister of this state. I know.
You can't cast
I know. I'm not going to talk that thing. Let's get that out. Quite serious, I said that day, let people come out.
Yes.
The day people are out, we are able to sit down. Farooq Abdullah will tell you what we have to say. What is wrong about that?
फिर फायदा क्या इस तरह की जो मीटिंग हुई तो
इसका फायदा मुझे सबसे बड़ा ये है कि ये घर से निकल सके.
डॉक्टर साहब
आप तो निकलते हो, ये घर की 4 दीवारी से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते.
डॉक्टर साहब
1 साल और 15 दिन नहीं निकले. शुक्र करो ये पागल नहीं हुए.
आज की मीटिंग में क्या कुछ तय पाया, क्या फ्यूचर के लिए क्या कुछ बात हुई?
देखिए, पहले हमारी बात ये थी कि ये निकल आए, प्रोसेस शुरू हो गई, दूसरे भी आएंगे, प्रोसेस शुरू हो गई, उसके बाद हम लोग बैठेंगे. और
सवाल है डॉक्टर साहब, आपके 3 पार्लियामेंटेरियन आपके साथ में बैठे हैं और जब आखिरी जलसा था तो सागर साहब ने कहा था चून इज्जत में होना इज्जत रहत सतत, उसके बाद क्या कुछ हुआ बिल्कुल सामने है. तीनों का पार्लियामेंट में क्या रोल बनता है, जबकि
सुनिए मैं आपको बताऊं, पार्लियामेंट लगी तब से लगी. पार्लियामेंट में हमें मौका मिला जाने का, फारूक अब्दुल्ला को मिला जाने का मौका था, मुझे मौका. आप देखिएगा जब मैं पार्लियामेंट जाऊंगा तब मेरा रोल और इनका रोल देखिएगा, हमारा रोल क्या है.
तो डॉक्टर साहब जब पार्लियामेंट को जाने नहीं देते हैं तो हमारी मिनिस्ट्री में कितनी बेबसी में है, जब आपको बुलाने के
कोई बेबसी नहीं है. जिसका सहारा हमने लिया है वो वहीं पर है, हमारा सहारा वही है.
Sir, even during your detention, none of the national parties raised a voice, and now even they are.
Look, let me tell you, how can you say they did not raise voice?
Very few.
Please. Trinamool Congress raised a voice.
There were voices.
Please, they raised a voice. DMK raised a voice repeatedly. Congress raised a voice. Chidambaram has been speaking about us. Sibal has been speaking about us. Sharad Pawar has been speaking about us from that party. Even Shiv Sena from Bombay said, what have you achieved by doing all this? So don't say that in the country there is not a voice that does not feel that injustice has been done to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
A surprise sprang in the form of Arvind Kejriwal and others, who after August 5, there was a U-turn from their side.
Sir, how one turns this side or that side, it's not Farooq's problem. It is their problem. It is for them what they want to do.
Sir,
It's
you
for
are saying
them.
that you have to wait until your leaders will be out. Do you mean to say it's again New Delhi to decide that how long Kashmiris has to wait so that their
Kashmiris have waited for 70 years, so how does it matter if they wait for another 5 years? Does it matter?
Opposition leader is also under house arrest. Settle now.
We're not-
Mahbooba Mufti.
Who?
You didn't say about Mahbooba Mufti.
You didn't ask me about Mahbooba.
डॉक्टर साहब
You are asking me now. So you second khayal?
डॉक्टर साहब पहले ही पूछा था.
I am in constant touch with her.
So are you going to
I
fight
keep
for
on
her
speaking
freedom
to
as
her. And therefore, she is part of that declaration that we made here.
Signatory to that.
She is signatory to it. So, we are also concerned about her. We do want her to be free. That will be a great day for all of us. That every leader of this state is free, able to move freely.